Brick to Fowler. At the point of drive. Score! Didn't take long, did it?
That puck looked like it got deflected right in front of the goaltender. I'm sure Ray had a much better look at that.
It did get deflected, Eddie, and when we get a look at it on the replay right here, you're going to see the goalie's in position, but because the puck is...
Up the wing, making some headway. A shot! That shot came from just 6 inches. He scores! That one ricocheted in off one of the bad guys.
Jones drops to his butterfly as soon as the shooter commits to the shot, but he's not in good enough position as he gets beat cleanly.
Puck loose, now picked up. Enormous hit.
That's what we love about this game.
Score! What a great early start for the home squad.
Pavelski's decision was pretty easy. This low in the slot. Just snap it home.
Talbot's not going to stop that one, Edzo. It's delivered so perfectly just inside the post.
Oh, and he is drilled.
Well, guys, he didn't see him coming until the last minute. That's a pretty solid contact.
Brings a shot. He scores!
Hamilton's quick wrist shot surprised the goaltender in close.
Edzo, the goaltender's too quick to rely on his technique. He drops down quickly. That opens up the top of the net, and too much room there for a shooter of this quality.
Gets in, and he'll look over his options. He's in! What a save by Smith! Score! And the place goes nuts!
Area of the ice.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Edzo, and while the shot is nice, he's down in that butterfly position way too quickly.
It's an onside play. Fires. Score!
No hesitation at all. He fired home that wrist shot.
Miller's not going to be able to stop this perfect shot up into the top of the net. If he's going to be able to do it, he's going to have to be more aggressive, get out farther in the net.
I think with him getting bounced around in a slot area, he just got a little discombobulated and missed the net completely.
Score! What a great early start for the home squad.
Daniel Sedin's quick hands allowed him to snap that one up and score the goal.
Quick's not going to be able to stop this perfect shot up into the top of the net. If he's going to be able to do it, he's going to have to be more aggressive, get out farther.